What's up everybody, Nick Pileggi here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel filter on your car. This is going to be done on my 2000 Trans Am. It'll be the same for Camaro and pretty much any GM vehicle that has this quick disconnect fitting and the flared fitting on the other side. You'll need some paper towels too and a bucket or some kind of container to catch the fuel that comes out. It's a good idea to make sure you got a fire extinguisher around. Lifted and supported. You're going to want to come to the front and you're going to want to go to the fuel rail and take off the cap on the Schrader valve. And you're going to want to take a screwdriver and you're going to punch it to relieve the fuel pressure. So just make sure you wrap a towel around it so you don't squirt yourself. And that's all there is to it. Put the cap back on. And this rag is soaked in fuel now, so make sure you dispose of it properly. Make sure you got your safety glasses on. I'm just going to use an adjustable wrench for the filter, but you just got to put this on the filter and hold it. And then you take a, on this car it's a 5/8. Take a flare nut wrench and you're going to want to loosen the flare nut fitting. That was tough. Once you break it loose, your bucket underneath or in the general vicinity. Alright, and then once that side is out, you're going to come over to the quick disconnect fitting. This side is a quick disconnect. You're just going to pinch right in there. You're going to pinch that and then that'll just unlock it and it'll pop right out. Make sure you got your bucket ready for this one. And then you just slide it out of its holder and it's going up my sleeve. And just let that drain into the bucket. You can grab your new filter and it's just gonna push right into the quick disconnect fitting with the plastic piece. Just push it in, it locks right in. Very simple. And you just slide it into the bracket and push your flare nut fitting on. And just snug it down. Grab another paper towel, but just wait until it's all dry before you start it up again. The last thing you want is to burn your car down in some freak accident. And don't spray brake cleaner on this. Just wipe it down nice and dry. And that's all there is to it. And once you're done, come in and fire her up. Once she fires up, come on underneath. Just make sure she's not leaking. Beautiful. Job well done. Check this out, guys. Look at how disgusting that fuel is.